Vishal Sachdev with NexTraq. We are owned by Michelin, headquartered out of Atlanta, Georgia. We are here at GIE 2019 explaining to our customers and potential customers out there that robust telematics offering. And it goes in conjunction with the equipment and asset tracking that we have available to a wide range of different assets that are out there in the market today. Aside from just tracking your assets, it goes in conjunction with having the availability to maintaining the assets. We provide asset trackers that are either solar powered, battery powered, rechargeable, and those all tie into our telematics offering. And in conjunction with the asset tracking, we have a robust collection and the offering of the safety and compliance. So when you have your vehicles and assets out there, there's a safety and compliance that's been a high topic throughout the industry today, from mobile block solutions to ELD solutions with mandates coming out later on this year as well. So NexTraq, the leader in the telematics industry, has a program for a dealer partnership program. If you are a dealer that's out there looking to offer a telematics offering for either vehicles and or assets, we are constantly looking for more dealers out there to become a partner of Michelin NexTraq and advance their offering to their customers, not just equipment and vehicles, but having a robust telematics offering to their own customers that are out there that they deal with on a day-to-day basis. NexTraq is constantly evolving with the telematics industry. We are constantly revamping our products and our solutions, and down the road we have a lot of different initiatives coming out with Michelin partnering up with NexTraq and investing a lot of time and resources into the services that are available. So we aren't just focused into one specific industry, but especially being here at GIE, we want to let everybody know that in the landscaping industry specifically, we have a wide variety of products that are available today in the market, and also stuff that will be coming out in the near future. And I'd like to add the advantage of becoming a dealer. You not just have the offering of just the core telematics piece of NexTraq, but you also have the capability of offering a lot of safety and compliance products and services that we offer. Dashcam being one of them. With your drivers that are out there out in the fleet, what exactly happens when there is an incident that occurs? Our Dashcam solution offers alerts to managers and also captures the recording both prior and the actual incident and then post-incident as well. That goes in conjunction with your properly dispatching and getting your jobs out there to hundreds and hundreds of drivers that are out there in the field. So how exactly is that done with mobility? NexTraq offers a wide variety of products and services that go in conjunction with mobility. So if they have smartphones or tablets out in the field, or even they could tie in specific units that NexTraq offers into the cabin of the vehicles. And you can schedule jobs, you can dispatch jobs, and keep a log of everything and all the history in a cloud-based solution.